Welcome back to Speed Scout, your ultimate source for automotive insights and cutting-edge vehicle reviews. In today's exclusive video, we're tackling a hotly debated topic: why Scania trucks are banned in America and how to make them legal in the USA. This discussion is not only relevant for American truck enthusiasts, but also for our European audience who know Scania as one of the world's most respected heavy truck manufacturers. First, let's address the burning question: why aren't Scania trucks available in the United States? Scania, a Swedish truck manufacturer, has built its reputation on innovative design and high performance tailored to European road conditions and regulatory standards. However, the US market operates under a very different set of regulations. American truck standards, governed by the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, FMVSS, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, require stringent crash safety, emissions, and design modifications that many European-built vehicles, including Scania trucks, do not currently meet. One of the key issues is design philosophy. Scania trucks typically feature a cab-over-engine design, which is ideal for tight European roads and maximizing cargo space. In contrast, American regulations favor the conventional hood design, which offers better crash protection and driver visibility. This fundamental difference means that without significant modifications, Scania trucks are often considered non-compliant with US safety tests. Additionally, the emission standards in the US are among the strictest in the world. Scania's technology, while advanced in Europe, may not directly align with the EPA's requirements without major adjustments to the powertrain and exhaust systems. But there's more. Beyond design and emissions, the legal framework for homologation, the process of certifying that a vehicle meets local standards, plays a huge role. Manufacturers like Scania would need to invest heavily in redesigning and testing their trucks to meet these diverse standards, which can be cost-prohibitive. As a result, Scania has focused its efforts on markets where its designs already comply with regional regulations. So, how could Scania trucks become legal in the USA? There are several potential strategies. Redesign for compliance. Scania could develop a modified version of its trucks that adopts the conventional cab design favored in the US. This redesign would involve not only altering the truck's exterior, but also upgrading the safety features and crashworthiness to meet FMVSS standards. Although this requires significant investment, it would allow Scania to tap into the lucrative American market. Retrofit modifications. Another approach could be retrofitting existing Scania models with necessary modifications. This might include adjustments to the chassis, installation of additional safety equipment, and recalibrating the emission control systems. While challenging, this pathway could provide a quicker solution for fleet operators or individual importers willing to invest in compliance modifications. Regulatory exemptions. In some cases, manufacturers can apply for waivers or exemptions if they can demonstrate that their vehicles offer unique benefits. Scania could work with US regulatory bodies to obtain special exemptions or phase compliance measures that allow their trucks to operate while they complete necessary modifications. Joint ventures with US manufacturers. Forming partnerships or joint ventures with established American truck manufacturers might be another way forward. By collaborating, Scania could leverage the existing infrastructure and regulatory experience of US partners, streamlining the process of meeting American standards. Despite these potential solutions, it's important to note that the road to legalization is complex. Changing regulations or redesigning vehicles is not an overnight process, and it requires close collaboration between manufacturers, regulatory authorities, and industry stakeholders. In summary, the absence of Scania trucks in the US stems from a combination of design philosophy, stringent regulatory standards, and the high costs associated with making necessary modifications. For those passionate about Scania's legacy, the future might hold possibilities if the company decides to invest in redesigning or retrofitting its models for American roads. Whether through a complete overhaul, retrofits, or strategic partnerships, the key lies in bridging the gap between European innovation and American regulatory requirements. If you enjoyed this deep dive into why Scania trucks are banned in America and the potential paths to legalization, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Speed Scout, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and we're always on the hunt for the next big story in the world of trucks and automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exclusive content right here on Speed Scout.